think it's huge. Just saying. Came across another one today. This is my garden nemesis. Where are you going? You coming to me? Oh, I'm by your hole, aren't I? Mm-hmm. Now which way are you gonna go? Oh, he might not see me. These things are quite destructive. Dangerous to have on a farm with horses or cattle. They dig holes. Yeah. Everybody have a great day. And it seems we have visitors everywhere here on the farm today. I was wondering who'd been digging in my garden. Digging around in the mulch looking for the bugs. Never know what you're gonna see here on the farm.